Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Windows PowerShell keeps popping up at random intervals on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Guys, let's fix that problem. Go to taskbar, right click on it and select task manager and select startup apps, and in here you need to disable the terminal. Guys, right click on it and select disable, or you just need to click on it and select disable. In here you just need to confirm it that has been disabled in here. After disabling it, close out of here and go to search menu and type Windows Futures. Open it and scroll down, guys. Search for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. If you have a Windows PowerShell check mark over here, you just need to uncheck this box, guys, and click OK. Applying changes. Windows completed the requested changes. Close out of here and restart your computer for changes take effect, and no more popping up Windows PowerShell, guys, anymore again. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.